Hi everyone, my name is Kevin.
I'm Nikki.
And welcome to Exploration Theme Parks. And today we're at Knott's Berry Farm to go on some rides and check out the progress of Montezooma's Revenge and Camp Snoopy. So, let's get to it. All right, we just parked at Knott's Berry Farm. It's currently 10:25. Ready to go ride some rides. Yeah, so they have their Boysenberry Festival going now. And when we drove past the entrance, it looks like a good amount of crowd coming in. But this small parking lot, general parking lot, isn't full yet. So I think it's just people getting here as the park is just opening. And there she is. Not Nikki, Ghost Rider. Oh, there's Nikki's favorite. Oh, can we just note her little fanny? Little fanny pack? Wow, that's a big rooster. All right, so we made it into the park. It's pretty crowded, a lot of people coming in. And it says Ghost Rider already an hour and a half, 2 hour wait, which is typical. I mean, it's slow operations and it's a popular ride. So I think we're gonna head to Exhilarator first. Nikki doesn't know if she's been on it, if she hasn't been on it, but regardless if she's been on it, it's been forever, so she doesn't remember what the ride is like. So she's gonna be pleasantly surprised, I think, with the launch out of the station. So let's hope it's open, but it says it's open, so let's go. Oh, quick, before the train comes. Okay. Phew. And there she is, Accelerator, woo! Now let's go see how long the line is, because I don't think Knott's really has real-time updates right now, because Silver Bullet's line was outside of the queue. I mean, granted, all the cattle pens weren't open, but it said less than 15-minute wait, so I don't know. All right, coming up on the entrance to Accelerator. Let's go. It says wait time 15 minutes. I have a hard time believing that. And Accelerator broke down as we're in the station. All right, it's back open. It was only broken down for like
5 minutes.
5-10 minutes maybe?
Yeah.
So not bad. All right, so we only waited like 40 minutes for Exhilarator. It's pretty much 15 minutes of that was it breaking down. But Nikki, what'd you think?
My heart definitely was fluttering.
I told her it's a good launch, and she's just like, "Oh my god!"
I don't think I've ever been on that ride. I used to come here as a kid, but not often because it's kind of out of the way.
Yeah, that launch alone makes the ride. It is so quick. Like, you know, it's obviously not nearly as fast as like King Dakar or Top Thrill, but that acceleration out of the station is just out of this world. And even the going over the top pad is pretty good as well. And then the rest of the lads kind of just zooming around. But yeah.
My heart rate's still 120. Usually my resting heart rate's 49.
Yeah, she was, I looked over and I saw her face. She's just like, ah! Yeah, so good. I think we're going to go get in line for a hang time right now. So let's go. And there's the infamous Coast Rider with those lovely shin guards, as I like to call them. I don't know, it's like, I know it's a family coaster, but they could do so much better with this footprint right here. Like, it's a good amount of space right here. I mean, I do miss Windjammer. Did you ever go, do you remember Windjammer?
No.
One of the worst rides at roller coasters ever made.
I've only been here a handful of times.
But it was epic. All right, let's get some hang time. Let's get in line. Alright, just waited just under an hour for hang time. How was your ride?
It's fun.
It was fun. No, hang time's fun. Pretty smooth. Gerstlauer. Get lots of hang time. A nice little pop of air time right over there. But yeah, it's kind of crowded today. I think part of it's due to the Boysenberry Festival, and I think they got some cheerleading competitions going on today. And someone's screaming their brains out on Coast Rider over there. Yikes. But I think we're gonna go try to find some food to eat. Go check out Montezooma's Revenge and that progress, Camp Snoopy, and hopefully get in line for Ghost Rider, because it's always a long line during the day unless you get here and get on it right away. So we'll check it out and see. I will say though, Knott always has a good atmosphere in their different areas. And of course, they got the famous Ghost Town, which is absolutely huge and epic area of this park. And then we got Exhilarator over here, Supreme Scream, SNS Tower, and then the classic log ride. Nikki just said she really wants to go in the rapids.
Sure.
She just said it's warmer than she thought it was going to be.
No, but then I followed with...
You followed with what?
But it's still chilly.
Chilly. And now we made it to Fiesta Village, home to Jaguar and Montezooma's Revenge. If you look closely, you can see Montezooma's spire, or whatever you call it, piece of the track is gone. Same with over here. So they're definitely starting to work on it again. Got the Jaguar Temple, the Zir roller coaster that has the longest trains in the world. And we're coming up on where Montezooma's Revenge should be. And here's the station over here. Oh, and there goes Jaguar. But yeah, like all the track except for the supports are gone. Here's a look through the wall. Yeah, so Sierra Sidewinders in Camp Snoopy. We always love going on it, but it always has such a long line and it's slow mover, so we'd rather spend our time waiting in line for Ghost Rider. But we have made it into Camp Snoopy where they are progressing on all of the work they've been doing. You can see the new kiddie coaster in the distance. The green track. And there's Montezooma's Revenge Station again. Oh yeah, and here's the work going on the new kiddie coaster. Oh, they got a lot of, what are these, Easter decorations? Yeah, lots of green track over there. Churros. There goes Sierra Sidewinder. But yeah, I think they're supposed to open the Camp Snoopy stuff this year. But they still got all the construction walls up. Alright, so unfortunately it's way more crowded today than we thought it would be. We were only coming till the afternoon. All the lines for food are super long. Ghost Rider's over a 2-hour wait. So we're gonna call it a day for now and be back. We both have season passes. But please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos, and remember, never stop exploring theme parks.